It's Joe Harkness of Bird Therapy here, currently standing out in the middle of my local heath where I've been doing a bit of bird watching. I've got willow warblers singing over by the path. You might just be able to hear it, although it's a little bit windy. Skylarks have been singing all around me on territory. But the fact of the matter is I've had to come here to hear birdsong. I can't just go out anywhere anymore and hear it. That's because of the decline and loss of birds in every habitat over the years now. So I remember in my lifetime, even as a child, being able to go out anywhere and hear just loads of birdsong, loads of different birdsong. And that's not the case now. That's indicative of how things are changing, the effect that we're having on the environment. So something you can do to support this loss and raise awareness of it is to download the RSPB's Let Nature Sing campaign single, which is a single of just birdsong. They've released it today. We're hoping to get it to #1 in the charts. If you go to the RSPB website, follow the links to the Let Nature Sing campaign, you can download it from there and show your support to our declining birds and birdsong nationwide. As you can see by my t-shirt, nature's silence is deafening.